Hey folks, I'm attorney Ben Schwartz, and today I have my special guest, my son, Charlie Schwartz, who is 10 years old. Charlie is not in school today, and so he came to the office with me and decided that he wanted to shoot some videos. So Charlie, do you have a question that you want to ask me on video today?
Yep.
What question do you have?
How much will I get most times for somebody breaking my leg if I sue them and I win the case?
If somebody breaks your leg and you sue them for a personal injury case, you want to know how much are you going to get? Here, be careful with the cable. Be careful with the cable. On average, that's a really good question. And it's a very hard question for me to answer because there's lots of variables that go into that. One question that I have is, how did they break your leg? Are they a negligent driver and they ran a red light?
They kicked my leg as hard as they could.
They kicked your leg as hard as they could, and now you want to sue them. Okay. Why would they kick your leg?
Because they were mad at me because they thought I did something, but I did nothing.
Okay. You're completely innocent?
Yes.
You didn't do anything wrong?
No.
It was a case of mistaken identity.
Okay.
Is that right?
I guess so.
Okay.
You're
So
the
someone made a mistake and they confused you with a bad guy. They kicked your leg, it broke your leg, and you had to go to the hospital, and now your leg is in a cast. You can't play basketball.
No, my leg had to get amputated.
Oh, your leg had to get amputated.
Actually, no, say both cases, if my leg is in a cast or if it got
Let's just put it in the cast. Okay.
Okay.
Like, we want to be positive. So let's say your leg is in a cast. Now, for the next 2 months, you cannot play basketball. That's your favorite sport, right? And you're stuck walking with crutches to assist you to maintain your stability. You got to go to a bunch of doctor's appointments. You got to do physical therapy. And then you're all better. Your leg heals up and it's all better, right?
Yay!
So let's say we sue the person and we go to trial and we have a jury. The jury's going to have to give you an award. The award is going to be based on your medical expenses. How much were your medical expenses? Let's say they're $15,000. The jury will award you $15,000.
Wow.
And then you have pain and suffering. So perhaps the jury awards you another $15,000 for your pain and suffering. You're only 10, you're not employed, so there's no lost wage claim here. So you get $0 for lost wages, and you completely healed with no expectation.
But since I'm only 10, I spend less money, and I have $30,000 now, and now I can spend a lot of money.
Oh no, you don't have $30,000.
Yes, I do.
The jury awarded you $30,000, but you have to pay the attorney's fee.
Oh,
and
yeah.
you have to pay litigation expenses.
So I have like $15,000.
So now you're down to $15,000, and here's what you need to know.
Okay.
You're 10. You're not going to get $15,000. It doesn't work that way. The money has to go into a special account called a Uniform Transfer to Minors Act account, or
What's
a UTMA account. It's a special account at a bank, and your money is going to sit in that account until you turn 18, and then you can use it to pay for college.
Maybe I just won't go to college.
We'll talk about that in a few years, but the answer to your question is, now you'll get nothing, but down the road you'll have
8
money
years.
that you can use to put towards something like college,
I'm not going to go to college until I'm done the NBA.
Or while you're in the NBA, you could use that money to pay for your shoes or travel expenses. So, all right. Well, that is a very good question. I appreciate you asking me that question. Do you want to say anything about your YouTube channel while we're on the video?
If you like basketball, then subscribe to BTAG, all capitals, on YouTube. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. I'm attorney Ben Schwartz. If you have a question, not about NBA, not about basketball, but about the practice of law, personal injury litigation,
email him.
Send me an email. My email address is ben.schwartz@schwartzandschwartz.com. Thank you for watching.